morning. I'm coming to you from California where I'm 10 days post-op on my foot, and I just got back from my gym where I had a great workout, which I'll show you some of my workout material. I discovered in some videos I watched yesterday that I have to keep my toes above my nose for at least 50 minutes of every hour I'm awake. So that's going to be a challenge for me. I'm very active, so we'll see how it goes. I'm also 6 months post starting Zepbound, which I'm going to get into on this channel a little bit, and I'm very happy with the progress that I've been making. I've totally changed my diet, and it's totally protein centered now, which works out really well when I'm lifting every day at the gym, trying to keep my muscle mass up and let the fat dissipate as it will based on my new diet. So I'm really happy about the progress I've made. I'm coming up having lost 70 pounds over the last 2 years, which I'm really happy with. I'm able to do things now that I wasn't able to do for the last 50 years as far as mobility and just being able to get around and do things. So I'm really happy about that. It looks like it's going to be a really hot day here on the central coast of California. So I'm getting out now and enjoying the weather before it gets too hot to be out here. But it's gorgeous. You can see the birds are already settling down out in the lake. They were very active, as they always are at dawn. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the birds are that I'm talking about. We have several hundred Canadian geese that come here to rest and molt. We have sometimes up to 7 of the white American pelicans, and there's a great egret out there, a great blue heron, some pie-billed grebes, some cinnamon teals, a lot of mallards you can see right here, and this is a safe space until it's not, and the bald eagles make a run through, see if anybody's napping too solidly. It's been 10 days since I had my left front foot operated on. As my mobility continues, I'll start going to some of the places I used to take videos of around the Central Coast trails and show you how beautiful it is. So that's my plan as I get out and get more mobile. Right now I am totally dependent on what's called a knee scooter, and I've got one that's very much off-road. I can go over a lot of different things, and we'll be experiencing that in the future. In fact, I'm going to do a whole video just on the knee scooter that I have, the Knee Rover. And the model that I have is extremely durable and can go and do a lot of things. One of my companions that you'll be seeing a lot of is Tessa. She's a Vizsla. She's about to turn 11 years old. She's a very good skilled tracker and hunter. So she loves having the birds come up to the fence, but she doesn't pay attention to them since they don't come inside our fence. This is my other walking companion, Asher, the Australian Shepherd mix. Asher, up here. And he is aware of everything 2 steps ahead of me.